Imagine awakening from a long slumber. Your senses sharpen, you perceive the world with a new curiosity, and a thirst for deeper understanding emerges. This awakening is not of the body, but of the soul. It's the subtle realization that there is more to life than meets the eye, a yearning to uncover the profound truths that lie within. As you step into this awareness, allow yourself to observe the transformation. Like the first rays of dawn, it's gentle yet undeniable, signaling the start of something momentous. This is your invitation to a greater existence. Your journey to enlightenment begins with the creation of a sacred space. It's a haven where you can be alone with your thoughts, free from the clamor of the outside world. Here, you can meditate, reflect, and converse with your innermost self. Picture a tranquil corner, a soft mat underfoot, the flicker of candles casting warm shadows, and a gentle breeze that whispers wisdom. In this space, you're not just physically alone, you're in communion with your higher self, embarking on a voyage of self-discovery. On this path of awakening, your tools are as much a part of you as your desire to evolve. Imagine a journal, its pages eager to capture your evolving thoughts and insights. Beside it, a pen, ready to translate the language of your soul onto paper. And within you, the greatest tool, patience. The journey ahead is one of continuous learning and growth. Equip yourself with these tools, and they will serve not just as objects, but as companions, bearing witness to your spiritual evolution. In the map of your spiritual journey, intentions mark the destination. They are the stars you navigate by, the aspirations that fuel your progress. Your intentions could range from seeking peace to understanding the interconnectedness of life. They are personal, profound, and purposeful. As you set these intentions, visualize them not as distant dreams, but as achievable realities. With each step towards them, you chart a course through the unknown, guided by the compass of your deepest desires. As you delve deeper into your spiritual practice, you'll find gifts along the way, moments of profound joy, a sense of unity with the universe, and an unshakable peace. These aren't mere feelings, they are the tangible rewards of your dedication to this path. You may notice a newfound empathy for others, a deeper appreciation for the present moment, and a sense of calm even amidst chaos. Accept these gifts with gratitude, for they are the markers of your growing spirit. Spiritual awakening is not a destination, it's a lifelong journey. Each day brings new insights. Each moment is an opportunity for growth. As you reach what seems like the pinnacle of your awakening, know that it's just another beginning. The horizon of your understanding expands continuously, inviting you to explore further, delve deeper, and rise higher. Embrace the endless nature of this journey, for it is in the perpetual pursuit of enlightenment that your soul finds its truest expression.